In this section, we're going to talk about what are exchanges. Where can you buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple? Now, in order to convert your national or fiat currency into cryptocurrency over the counter, you're going to have to use an exchange. Now, in normal days, you'd probably see something like a foreign exchange or a currency exchange at the airport. Have you ever traveled to one of these places and, try to exchange currency? People buy and sell currencies there all the time, but they get physical cash or the national fiat currency. Now, with cryptocurrencies, you can actually do the same thing. It's no different. It's just that you get digital cash. There are many cryptocurrency exchanges around, but there are slight differences. Some of them are used to convert fiat currencies into cryptocurrencies, and some crypto exchanges are there just to convert between cryptocurrency exchanges. So for example, Polyonics, BTCC, Bittrex, Kraken, well, not Kraken, but Bitfinex in Germany. These are places where you can actually trade cryptocurrencies. Coinbase and Kraken and BitOasis, CoinMama, Local Bitcoins are places where you can actually buy and sell Bitcoins as well. And as I said before, Bitcoin is the gateway currency. In most cases, you'd be buying Bitcoin first, and then you'd try to convert that into another currency. Now, rather than get into the details about each and every exchange that we have here, I'm going to take it a separate section and go through the details of each and every exchange and which are the best exchanges to deal with. This is more interesting in the trading section and in the investing section, which I suggest you go to right now or afterwards.